This is a detailed review of each Livayo feature. We are in the Organize the Work screen, and we are looking at how to add a new person in Task View. So again, here we have the tasks, and the frequency, and the duration, and the person. If you have a person here assigned to this task, and you want to change that person, and you look at your list and say, that person I don't have on my list because they're new, or you just haven't added them yet, right here is a button called Add New Person. On the title of the slide, it said Add New Person in Task View because you can also add persons, people in the Setup view, which I'll show you in a second. So when you add a new person, you click here. This little box comes up and it says first name, and so you can put in, I'll just put in Bob, and then you can put in his email address here, Bob at whatever. And then if by chance this person is already in a Livayo account somewhere, you can actually use his or her username and put it in there, and I'll show you that on the setup slide. But the thing I want to show you here is this idea of delaying an invite, and this simply describes what that means. What this means is when you're going through the process of setting up jobs and tasks, so if you're a manager or an owner and you get Livayo, and you are going to set up your jobs and tasks. And so it takes a bit of time to do that. And you're kind of exploring initially. And it's like doing a painting, and you kind of design it and you look at it and you see how it looks and you step back. And what you want to do is when you sign somebody up, when you add a new person, it sends an invite to their email. And then they get an invite that says, do this and sign up here and here and here. But maybe you want to set up your jobs and tasks and assign these people, but you don't want to have them invited yet because you first want to design, make sure it's right. Maybe you have a management team and you want to, explore with them your design of the jobs and tasks before you invite everybody. And so that is what the delay this invite is. And then later on, I'll show you where you can then, unselect that or select send invite, and it will then send out all the invites. And then you would click Add New Person. And then, of course, it says the email address is wrong. It should be because I didn't put a full one in there. So that's how you add a new person in Task View.